redness has diminished.
Yeah.
Have you noticed the veins are less?
A little bit. Like in this little area. And then, because these ones are so like thick, but I see them like a little bit lightened.
Faded. Yeah. Have you had any sun exposure?
Whenever I've been in the sun, I've been like tanning, but when I've been like on walks and stuff, I've put on the Skin Medica, like the
covering the skin. Okay. How good are you about hats?
I wear a hat every day actually.
Good.
Monday through Friday. I lit out like his hat.
Okay. The hat is important. I think it'll make a difference. Today, obviously, we're going to be doing the same thing, but I expect
fine either way.
The first time is the worst, but then by tomorrow, today you'll be a little bit more red. By tomorrow, that redness will subside. My goal is to kind of help eliminate some of the veins here and overall redness. Now, in stressful situations, do you notice that you're not getting as bright red as before? Can't tell yet.
Not sure. Maybe he'll have to stress it.
So we have them turn it down.
It's like I have a dryer that like sings when it's done.
Oh yeah.
And you're like, oh, this is great. I'm not as great that it's cold now.
Yeah. Or if you're on the phone or doing something that doesn't require that thing to sing.
You know what I'm talking about though? It's like, and you're like, oh yeah.
Well, now the electronics at home do all sorts of things.
Yeah.
So no one's gonna be able to tell anymore if you're stressed or not stressed.
I know, I'm just gonna be like pale in the face. I'm just gonna be like, are you mad? I'll be like, I'm furious.
Yes, you're not gonna get bright red as much.
I definitely get red when I'm like mad.
In a stressful situation, yes. Yes.
Or back in like high school when you have to give like speeches and you're like, oh my god, no.
Yeah, no, I get it. That's. Lips together and hold. Good. Now we're gonna. So the goal of this is do the generalized redness. That one was more the individual capillaries. So we're covering both aspects. This one feels more like heat.
Yeah. And it'll help with little red veins by my nose too, right? Yeah, I don't know when that happened to me.
It's just not pretty. Oh, it's white.
Yeah, it's like high magnesium and chlorine I looked up. But it's like, yeah, so I was having a hard time with the water. Like my skin was breaking out. I like don't break out that often. But I was like all the time. And then but the red veins were like around my nose have been happening like before I moved out though.
Oh, okay.
And I was like,
before that.
yeah.
Survived my rant.
It's round
You
two.
did good. Yes, you did good.
Hey guys, it's Caitlin Christine. I'm here for my round 2 session of the XLV and Genesis laser with Dr. Atai. From the first time I came, I definitely noticed like less red here, and less veiny. I'm really excited to see my results in the next 4 to 6 weeks. Again, it was a super easy procedure. Absolutely love it and I can't wait.